Please tell me this isn't recording right now.
Yeah, it's recording right now. It's all going on YouTube.
Oh, joy.
Welcome back to the Driveway Engineer, everybody. My sister-in-law is trying to record today, and it's her first time. So, it's going great. We're going to see what we can see out here. We're in the Mason U-Pull D4. That's another 410 limited slip. 8.8. You guys want? I gotta find a yoke for my new Ford axle for my C10, and I'm sure the Junkyard will provide. Those things cost like $70 online, because I was just gonna buy one, but I'm definitely not gonna pay $70. So it's neat that they started putting these newer trucks out here. I wonder if this was a Coyote. Maybe Coyote swaps are affordable. Hey, look what I found. Show the people the drive shaft, Olivia. This is what we came here for. No tools needed. I need this. See? The Junkyard will provide. That's what I'm talking about. Awesome. See my treasure?
Fancy.
And this is a 9 3/4 axle also. Somebody gutted it, which is weird. I wonder if they wanted the diff out of it or something. I've read on the internet H9, that would have been, I think 373s. That was a limited slip. I've read on the internet where nothing's ever wrong that there's a torsion diff that you can get for those 9 3/4 also. There's an AAM 10.5 full floater. That tells me this was an 8.1 truck. The 6-liter 2500s didn't get the full floater. Only the 8.1s that Clifford did. It's like somebody's kind of raped it already. I don't know where the glove box is, but this was an 8.1. Somebody got it, and an Allison cut the frame. I'm gonna trust people. I'll leave my treasure there.
I'm sure that's wise.
You start to act like the Lord of the Rings, right? You start to act like Smeagol, and you think that like other people want your garbage. It's Joe Daddy's.
Oh.
Yeah, the truth is nobody wants your garbage. Nobody cares, right? Here. This was a LY6. So this was a 6-liter with rectangle port heads. Somebody came out here and got it. So while Olivia goes to do that, let's see if we can find more cool 9 3/4 axles. Oh, there's no sticker in this one. There is a tag on the diff if you can read it. Sometimes it's hard to read and sometimes it's not there. It's kind of a sure sign as to whether or not anybody's been in there. Because like I took the cover off of mine and it's not going back on, so I'm really tempted to take these door panels for Daryl. They're red, they're the right color, as are the seat belts. Oh, man, I don't think I have the right stuff to take them though. This one has a headliner and everything. I'm gonna have to wait. Ooh, it's got the, oh, it only has one speaker. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait till this weekend when I'm gonna come out here and strip this thing of its interior and the seat belts. That's one of the things that's holding me up from going to the junkyard or going to the drag strip, besides the rear end, which I'll be able to deal with this week, hopefully. I'll put you guys on pause here while I gather up my thoughts, gather up my treasures. Alright, it looks like this isn't going to happen today. I don't have a pick to pull the door handles. I tried to come up with something clever, use a little screw, whatever. It's kind of a bummer, but hopefully it's here when I come back. I'm definitely not going to air this video until I'm ready to come back. It has the headliner and everything I want, so hopefully I can get back here probably tomorrow. I hope. I have to go into work for a little while. Then I'll come out here and with everything I need and pull this stuff. I even want this tray. Like, this is super cool. It has everything. It's pretty neat. I don't know where that speaker tray went, but the neat thing is it's manual windows. Usually I find these in their power windows. So yeah, I'm gonna get my treasure and get out of here. I'm sorry the video's a little short today, guys, but hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time on The Driveway Engineer. See you guys.